Hello everyone, we hope you are all well. Welcome back to the Valuable Buyer channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be informed about our new videos. Your comments and likes are very valuable to us. Let's go to our video. Need a lightweight vacuum cleaner? The best cordless vacuums give you plenty of cleaning power without the hassle of being tethered to an electrical outlet, freeing you from the annoying hassle of cords, being tethered to mains electricity, being constantly bothered by cables. They are lightweight, easy on your back, and run on rechargeable batteries, which means you can move around the house in comfort. Plus, some can be converted to handheld mode for cleaning upholstery, for use in your car, so you can easily reach more places. This comprehensive review was created by researching dozens of stick vacuums since 2017, buying and head-to-head testing more than 10 of the best models on the market. The performance of each model in different areas of use was evaluated. The evaluations were made through a comprehensive review. We hope this helps you find the right stick vacuum for your home's needs. Before you buy, consider the size of your home, your residence, including cats and dogs, and any extra tools that might come in handy. Number 5. The Samsung Bespoke Jet AI delivers excellent results in terms of its functionality, power, and performance on carpet. While it doesn't have a laser on the floor nozzle to reveal hidden dust, there are LEDs instead, and it has a smaller hopper size than its competitor. It did the best floor cleaning in reviews. This Samsung has everything we liked about its predecessor, plus smart sensors to optimize suction power. The design is modern and clean. The clean station is excellent at emptying the hopper while charging the vacuum, and you still get a range of tools, including a mopping attachment. It's a powerful vacuum with more suction power than its biggest competitor, but you're paying extra for dynamic suction, so if that's not important to you, it's also worth looking at the previous model, which has all the other important features. But this is an excellent device that doesn't take up tons of space and performs well above its size and price tag. Number 4. LG Cord Zero. Highlights. Emptying the dust container is no longer a hassle. This smart tower automatically empties the dust container and is equipped with a UVC LED light that prevents bacterial growth. With 2 interchangeable batteries, you can clean without interruption. As one battery runs out, the other battery starts charging. Compact storage. All nozzles and vacuum can be neatly stored in this sleekly designed tower. Performance and efficiency. A more powerful and efficient motor with less friction prevents dust and dirt from clogging the filters, so suction power is maintained for longer. Multi-purpose nozzles. Equipped with a set of nozzles suitable for all kinds of surfaces and corners. Hygienic filtration. With the 5-stage filtration system, you can be sure that dust and allergens are trapped. Easily removable and washable parts ensure clean after cleaning. LG Cord Zero stick vacuum and all-in-one tower. Perfect your cleaning experience with powerful performance and smart solutions. Number 3. The Tenneco Pure 1 S12 is packed with features that make cleaning your home easier and more enjoyable. First of all, the LED digital display on the top of the device allows you to instantly see the battery status and vacuum modes. With Wi-Fi connectivity and integration with the Tenneco app, you can track your cleaning time, filter status, and access instruction videos. With the touch strip on the handle, you can precisely adjust the suction power for perfect results on any surface. Auto Power Mode detects dirty areas and automatically increases suction power for maximum performance. It also comes with a wide range of accessories. With the dual filter system and filter cleaning accessory, it is possible to clean the filters without washing them. With 2 2500 mAh lithium-ion batteries, you can clean for a long time, and you can charge the spare battery at the same time with the charging station. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to use even in high spaces and tight corners. Number 2. The Cordless Vertex Pro. This high-performance cordless vacuum offers both power and ease of use. Cordless Vertex Pro provides deep cleaning with Duo Clean Power Fins technology. With 2 different brush systems, you can clean effectively on any surface, up to 60 minutes of removable battery life for an uninterrupted cleaning experience. Thanks to 5 different filtration systems, anti-allergen complete seal, and HEPA filter, you don't need to hesitate about the cleanliness of the air in your home. Your air remains clean while cleaning. Vertex Pro's lightweight design and flexible structure provide ease of use and easy cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas. With many different attachments, you can easily clean in any area. Plus, with the LED lighted nozzle, there's no need to hesitate when cleaning dark corners. Cleaning is now much easier and more effective with this great vacuum cleaner. What do you say? Is it time to meet the Cordless Vertex Pro? Number 1. Dyson V15. Dyson has produced its latest vacuum cleaner, and it really is the best yet. It's also a bit pricey in the market for the best cordless vacuums, but its cleaning performance and superior power have earned it a very good place. Dyson's latest vacuum is the only one to use a laser. It is precisely angled to reveal invisible dust. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed thanks to this special sensor, which counts each size and gives you scientific proof. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology, a high-torque cleaner head that automatically adjusts across different floors and dust amounts. 14 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction. The power of this hyperdymium motor and 5 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust for the most powerful deep clean all around your home. That concludes our video of the best cordless vacuums. You found this video worthwhile, didn't you? You're pressing that thumbs up button means the world to us. Which cordless vacuum cleaner is more suitable for you? Leave a comment below and share your views with us. Thanks for watching us. And if you think this video was a game changer, you can hit the like button by showing us some love. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the developments and our future content. We can't wait. See you in our next video. Take care and see you later.